guys, welcome to another video. So today I'm going to be doing another Halloween set. I'm going to be doing a little graveyard set. So I've pulled out these 4 tips. I'm really not that keen on these tips at all, but I think these graveyard sets need to be on short, stumpy, quite wide nails, so there's a little bit more room to work on. So I think these are going to be ideal. If you've read the title, you'll see I'm going to be doing a little bit of stamping today. Newbie. So I've pulled out these 2 stamping plates. This one to start with. I definitely want to use this. And I'm not sure if I'm going to use any of these yet. I think I might use one of these. I'm not sure. And then I'm going to be using some stickers and decals as well. So wish me luck. Not a clue how it's going to go, but we shall see. I did say in the title that this is going to be a beginner-friendly design. If you've never tried stamping before, you can always use stickers and decals. So just bear that in mind. I'm going to start off by giving all 4 tips a coat of Madam Glam's Perfect Black. This black is amazing, guys. It is so pigmented. The best black I've ever tried. Look at that, guys, for one coat. Oh, it's just such good coverage. So I'll get on and do the rest of these off camera, and then we'll pop back in when I come to the next part. Right, so they are all fully cured. I'm now going to go over them all with the Madam Glam's No Wipe Shiny Top Coat. I'm going to be going over this with a chrome powder, guys, so I'm making extra sure that I'm not missing any of these tips with the top coat, or else the chrome powder might not stick. Then I'm going to pop those in the lamp for 30 seconds. Now I'm going to be rubbing some of this HY01 Chameleon chrome powder into all 4 of those tips. That's so smart. Look at that. Look at that. That is so smart. Cool. This is rubbing straight in. I didn't have to part cure my top coat. I give it a full cure, and it's rubbing in so well. Look at that. Wow. Ta-da! They are so smart. Look at those. Oh, wow. Love those already. Now I'm going to go in with a matte top coat. This is just a cheap matte top coat, what I use when I'm sealing in glitters and chrome powders. Now I'm just kind of gliding over. I don't want to rub any of that off. So I'm just gliding over. Then I'm going to give that a quick cure for 60 seconds. Oh, look at them matte, guys. They're looking so smart. Can you see that little bit of fluff there? Look. So that would really pee me off. But you're not going to see it with the artwork on anyway. So not to worry. So now I'm going to be doing a little bit of stamping. Like I said, I am a total beginner. So I have not got a clue how this is going to go. I'm going to be using my Nicole Diary Black stamping polish. I've got some kitchen roll out, my scraper. Oh, I'm dreading this. Oh God. So these new plates, you need to remove this blue film. Like that. And it is good to give your stamping plate a wipe with some acetone to start with. Just to give it a clean. Look at me sounding like I know what I'm doing. I have not got a clue what I'm doing, guys. I'm just repeating what I've heard. So, keep that to hand because I'm going to need that. I know I've got to be quick at this, and this is what I think I'm not going to be good at. So, that's ready. Stamper's ready. Stamping polish is ready. Scraper's ready. Okay. Here we go. Here we go. I'm just going to put a bit of a blob like that. Then I'm going to scrape, wipe, roll. Oh, look! Oh, wow! Picked it all up. I'm just going to get rid of that little bit there that I don't want. I probably didn't need to get rid of that actually because I think it's going to be too wide for the nail anyway, but just in case, I'm going to get rid of it. Because I do not want this to go wrong. And then I'm going to stick it on the nail. Oh, wow. I'm shaking. Why am I shaking? Don't shake, Gina, don't shake. Can you see what I'm doing, guys? No, you can't. You have not got a clue. You cannot see what I'm doing at all. Right, are we ready? I think we're ready. So, stamp and roll. Oh, I kind of did it. That side worked perfect. Oh no. This little bit here. Can I line that up? Oh no, what have I done? What have I done? I didn't roll it enough to the side. But I could line that up, I think. Let me just try and line that up. Oh, Gina, stop shaking. What's wrong with you? Like that. Oh no, I bodged it. Oh, you're not going to see that anyway. I'm going to colour that bottom bit in, so you're not going to see that. That's not a problem. Oh, look at that. Hee, that looks so cool. Not bad. Not bad for my first go, eh? Move that out the way. I don't think there's anything else on this plate that I want to use. No, there's not. So I've pulled out these decals from Charlie's Nail Art, and I think I'm going to use one of these on here. So I want it to be kind of in the background, back there. So I think I'm going to use that one. And then a couple of these bats, a couple of these. These are from Aliexpress. I might use a couple of these bats as well, I'm not sure. So that is the plan I'm going for. So I've got a teeny tiny bit of water, which I'm going to put my decals in. So when you're using decals, you want to cut as close to the image as you possibly can. Then you want to remove that film off the front. It's like a clear film. You see that? Remove that and then pop your decal in the water and just leave it in there for about 20 seconds. So I'm going to use this She Modern grip gel to stick my decals down with. So just give it a nice thin layer. You don't need a lot of this at all. And that cures in an LED lamp for 30 seconds. Now I'm just going to stick a couple of these decals. I want this one kind of in the background. Kind of there. What I like about this grip gel is you can still move your decals about. So if you're not quite happy with where you placed it, you can just kind of slide it about a bit. Love that about this stuff. And I want this at a bit of an angle. Don't want it dead straight. Like that. Now on this pinky nail, I want this tree here. So that is a transfer foil. So I'm going to cut that out. So to stick that transfer foil down, I'm going to be using the Makartt foil glue gel. Again, a nice thin coat of that. Then pop that in the lamp for 30 seconds. So that's all cured. I'm going to stick this down exactly. Don't you dare. Nearly. Oh, it's done. Too late. Good job, it's kind of where I wanted it, eh? Hey, look at that. That looks cool. And then on there, I also want to stick a little itty bitty bat. Just there. On this nail, I want to do a little moon with the witch. So I'm using that She Modern grip gel again. I'll pop that in the lamp for 30 seconds. So I'm going to stick that about there. Now we're going to put the hand coming out of the ground on. So I'm going to use the Madam Glam's black gel paint, and I'm just going to quickly paint the ground, but I want there to be a kind of path here. Right guys, now they are all ready for top coat. I'm going to give them all a coat of the Madam Glam's Velvet matte top coat, because these bad boys are going to be matted out. Then before I cure that, I'm just going to add a couple of these gorgeous stars. So I'm going to put one there, one there, and one there, and one there, like that. Then I'm going to pop them for a final 30 seconds in the lamp. So that is them all finished. Look at those. Look at that chrome. And them stars. And my stamping was not too bad, was it? I don't think I did too bad at all with that stamping. Quite impressed with that. I just wish I had more images. I'd love this to have been done just with stamping, but I like them. I still liked how they turned out. That's the main thing. I think they're really cool. I just cannot stop looking at this chrome though. That chrome is beautiful, isn't it? Especially matte. It's gorgeous. So everything that I've used today, guys, I shall leave listed in my description box below. You'll also find any discount codes that I've got in there as well. I really hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, please remember to give it a thumbs up. Please consider subscribing if you're not already. And I hope to see you in the next one. Take care. Bye.